Photoshop course. In the previous lecture, we learned about Photoshop's basic tools. Today, we will explore one of the most powerful features in Photoshop, layers. If you understand layers, you can create almost anything in Photoshop. So, question is there, what are layers? So what exactly are layers? Think of layers like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Each sheet can have text and image or colors and you can edit them separately. This makes designing easier because changes on one layer don't affect a new layer. Go to layer panel, new, then layer and simply press. Also simply press shift control N. And you can also duplicate by control J. The next in the layer panel, this section. In the layer panel, you will see your layer listed. This one, also create this. Next, part 3, visibility and lock option. Next to each layer there is an icon, this one, eye icon. Clicking it will hide or show the layer like this. I will put some image. I will put any image on the canvas. You can also lock and layer to prevent the accidental edits. This is useful when you are working on a complex projects with many layers like this. You can hide it and lock it. Layer styles and opacity. At the bottom of layer, this one, layers panel, you will find the FX button. This one, FX button. Now click it. Add effects like shadows, gloss, strokes to your strikes to your about according to your layers. You can also adjust opacities. This one, inner shadow like this. Now, okay. You can also set opacity by this area, what you want, increase, decrease, which you want. For example, reducing opacity in 50% gives a soft and blended effect. Create a background color layer. Firstly, I will click on them and select any color. Then I will go with any picture. I will already selected subject from the image. Put them the image there. Press Ctrl T for transform like this one. Now next step is that add mask. Go this section, linear burn with saturation color. Also write text about image about your work, color explorer, color explorer effect. Press Ctrl T for transform. Go to direct selection tool. Press Ctrl T for transform this text. Go to edit. Firstly select all, change this color which you want. I will go with black color. So the design will be ready now. And you know that, then move and adjust each one of the, see how to layer work together. That's the real power of Photoshop. Thanks for watching lecture 3. In the next class we will export text and shape tools to make your design even better. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for lecture 4.